Hello! In this video I review the Canon Color Laser Series multifunctional printers. I cover the following, and for higher specs multifunctional color laser device, check the video about the latest generation of MF750 series. First, I speak about model information. I put on the display information about replacement models and summary of what is new, which I cover later in more details. On different websites you may find a bit different models info. In Europe, these models are sub-branded i-SENSYS. On Asian website, these products are branded imageCLASS. Here I only find the predecessor and no information on new models. On US side, this series is only available in the configuration of MF656Cdw, which seems to be the full option device. LBP models are single-function printers. They only have 5-line mono LCD display, while multifunctional models all have 5-inch touch LCD. To get more info, not only basic functions, I recommend to check the online manual, where in the main functions you will find full details of the products. Laser functionalities are similar across the range. For LBP printers, I recommend checking the playlist in the upper right corner of the screen with more detailed setup videos about remote user interface, Wi-Fi direct, mobile print, and so on. More content on the MF series is available in the playlist link in the description, and feel free to support my channel and subscribe for more content in the future. Let's see now in more details what is new. First, I put on the screen the difference between the predecessor and new model in all-in-one toner cartridges. Recommended monthly print volume for this device is from 250 to 2500 pages per month. The 5-inch touch LCD display on multifunctionals can be customized and new applications can be created. In the new model, the Wi-Fi app has been added, so now less steps are required to change the Wi-Fi router settings. There is another app in the application library, which is native cloud support to print or scan from OneDrive, G Drive or Dropbox. There are more scanning apps that you can create and put on the screen. One of them is Send to folder with name and scan application. Find it in the video in the upper right corner. Here is the application list from the manuals, and for cloud tutorial for this model refer to the MF450 cloud setup in the upper right corner. And last update are additional security features, which you can find in the network specifications. These are all the updates for the new series, And in the last part I would like to mention the alternative office printer, which is the MegaTank series of Maxify GX. I have already compared the Maxify GX with predecessor MF640 series in productivity, features and cost. Check the video in detail. Let's see again both devices simultaneously copying two-sided original before I jump to the conclusion. The laser finishes copy jobs in a very consistent time always, while inkjet, when printing two-sided, sometimes waits for ink to get dry. Here I put on the screen the summary of my two comparison videos, and that would be all in this video. Find more about printers in the playlists on my channel. Feel free to comment, ask questions, and don't forget to subscribe, as it helps me to grow my channel and create more videos like this. Thank you for watching and sharing, and please like the video. Bye!